The most powerful factory machines in action. You won't believe this. Part 3. Have you ever stood inside a factory running at full power, where every machine roars like a giant orchestra made of steel? If not, get ready, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at technology, manufacturing, and the human power behind every sound you hear. In this world of blazing hot steel and movements precise down to a thousandth of a millimeter, these factory machines aren't just machines. They're steel warriors, working 24/7, never tired, never hesitant, never backing down. From industrial machines the size of entire rooms, to smart tools smaller than your hand, yet stronger than any muscle, everything comes together to create a symphony of modern automation technology. You'll see steel drawing lines bending metal like ribbons, robotic arms gliding with impossible smoothness, automation systems running with such perfect synchronization it's almost addictive. That's why people call them satisfying machines, because every spin, every cut, every smooth transition is so flawless you simply can't look away. And that's exactly why you're here. We're diving into a factory machines compilation where every scene delivers a jaw-dropping wow moment. From heavy machinery crushing concrete like flour, to manufacture lines transforming raw steel coils into finished products in minutes, to smart factories where humans and robots work side by side with absolute precision. This isn't just a showcase of brute strength. This is the future of the industrial process, where modern engineering meets computer intelligence, where speed never sacrifices precision, and where productivity multiplies at an exponential scale. If you're passionate about engineering, mechanics, manufacturing, or you simply love watching massive machines unleash pure power, you're in the right place. And before we kick things off, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that tiny but mighty bell icon so you never miss a single journey into the mesmerizing world of engineering ahead. Ready? Then let's step into the core of technology, where steel, speed, and artificial intelligence beat together as one. There's a truth every engineer and every manufacturing expert understands. Machines weren't created just to replace human strength. They were built to expand human capability. And when you look at today's modern industrial machines, you can see that truth in its most powerful form. Picture a sheet of steel thicker than your hand, hundreds of kilos, cold, rough, and rigid like a block of frozen metal. And yet, with one single press from a hydraulic machine, it bends cleanly, like folding a piece of paper.
That's not just raw force. That's energy refined. Machines turning tons of pressure into a perfect curve, where every millimeter falls within the allowed tolerance. The modern production lines inside today's smart factories don't operate like the factories of the past. Everything is connected through thousands of sensors, logic controllers, and high-speed analytics. Every tiny piece of data, vibration, load, temperature, even micrometer level deviation is processed instantly. Automation systems make decisions faster than a blink of an eye. And that's why satisfying machine videos captivate us so much. Not just because they're smooth, not just because they're powerful, but because behind every movement lies an entire universe of refined engineering, optimized algorithms, and decades of human experience. You see a laser cutter gliding through steel like a paper knife, but you don't see the thousands of control loop feedback cycles running in real time to keep every cut razor sharp. You see a robotic arm placing components with flawless accuracy, but you don't see the hundreds of geometric calculations happening every single second. You see a production line flowing without a single interruption, but you don't see the engineering teams behind it optimizing every millimeter of movement and every millisecond of speed. Technology doesn't just create productivity, it creates consistency, the force that shapes every modern industry. From cars, microchips, batteries, and construction materials, to food, appliances, and everyday products, almost everything you touch has passed through the hands of machines. And when you watch these pieces of heavy machinery in action, you see something incredible. Their strength may be measured in tons, but their meaning lies in how they help the world move faster, cleaner, and more reliably. Technology isn't lifeless metal. It's the way humans expand their reach, unlocking things that bare hands could never achieve. That is the soul of engineering technology, turning the impossible into reality. When we watch machines run flawlessly, it's easy to forget one essential truth. No machine creates itself. No production line moves without a human mind behind it. And no advancement in mechanics, manufacturing, or engineering ever begins without one simple question: how do we make this better? That's why every time I watch a moment inside a factory machine's compilation, I feel something deeper than technical awe. Behind those synchronized movements are the minds of craftsmen, the logic of engineers, the grit of operators, and the creativity of people who refuse to accept limits. A machine doesn't become precise on its own. Someone spent months tuning every parameter, every sensor angle, every servo cycle. A production line doesn't become stable by accident. Someone spent years watching, measuring, and optimizing every step of the industrial process.
A factory doesn't become smart overnight. Someone dared to ask questions, dared to test new technology, dared to fail, so that today humans and robots can work together inside a smart factory so seamless it feels unreal. Many people think technology is cold, just numbers and metal. But the truth is the opposite. Technology is a human story. It's about how we push past our natural limits, how we find faster, stronger, safer ways to create everything around us. Heavy machinery may crush materials, but it's human persistence that crushes technical barriers. Robots packed with sensors may speed up production, but it's human curiosity that pushes technology forward. Automation systems may process data every second, but it's human creativity that turns data into solutions. All of this reminds us of one thing. Machines may be powerful, but humans are the reason they are powerful. Technology may be intelligent, but humans give it purpose. Production lines may be automatic, but humans decide the direction they move. And that is the true magic of engineering. Not the steel, not the engines, not the algorithms, but the people, the ones who dare to dream big, break patterns, and lay the foundation for things future generations will call normal. So, if you're pursuing mechanics, manufacturing, automation, or any field of engineering, remember this: you are the soul of technology. Close your eyes for a few seconds and imagine you're standing on a factory floor so vast that your footsteps echo like you're inside a cathedral made of steel. Around you, machines are moving with a rhythm that feels almost perfect. A robotic arm twists its wrist, drops a tiny part, and that single click sounds like the downbeat for the entire line. A laser cutter sweeps across a steel plate, a flash of blue-white light slicing through it like a controlled bolt of lightning. A conveyor system hums above your head, carrying products at a speed your eyes can barely follow. Everything blends together into one grand symphony, not of music, but of engineering power. That is the world we've stepped into on this journey,
the world of factory machines, industrial machines, and automation technology, where every movement tells a story of progress. But before we wrap up, let's look a little deeper. Technology isn't just about output. It's culture, it's value, it's the future.
The machines you just witnessed weren't built just to impress. They're symbols of a global shift toward higher speed, higher quality, higher efficiency. From food production, automotive, electronics, steel, to construction materials, every industry is entering the era of the smart factory, where automation isn't an option, it's the foundation for survival. And the best part? Every single one of us can be a part of that era. Whether you're an engineer, a mechanic, a tech student, a manufacturing worker, or simply someone who's mesmerized by the sound of engines and the smell of machine oil, you have a part to play. Because machines can't dream, they can't innovate, they can't move forward. Only people can. Remember the moment you watched heavy machinery crush concrete in seconds. Remember the feeling when a robot moved like a true dancer. Remember the awe when a fully automated line produced a finished product in just minutes. Those moments aren't just for watching, they're reminders. If humans can create something that powerful, then you can create something extraordinary in your own life. Here's one final message. The future isn't built by those who wait. It's built by those who begin, who try, who change, who fail. Just like every piece of technology started with a rough sketch, a crazy idea, or a midnight experiment in a workshop. So if the world of machines sparks something in you, step into it. If engineering makes you curious, chase it. If automation excites you, make it your future. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep building. And one day, you might be the person behind the machines that make the whole world say, unbelievable. Call to action. If this journey inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because so many more adventures are waiting. From lightning speed production lines, to next level automation technologies, to massive machines that make your heartbeat race with every move. You won't want to miss any of it. Join us. The journey into the world of engineering is just beginning. And always remember, machines don't build the future, people do.